memory of a foreign land, a place for you and I. Come on, let's go. We'll get away. Just get me out of my house into the sky. We'll take a little trip to paradise. Let's fly. We're soaring high.
Happy birthday, and ang wish ko lang sa'yo is maging successful ka, and may your life be filled with joy, laughter, and full of love.
Stuck in a dream with my love. Feel the breeze, catch that feeling inside the mason jar, like lightning bolts shining from afar. I guess I'll admit I don't want this to end.
Kami yung unang-unang matutuwa pag matutupad mo yung mga pangarap mo. I love you, PJ.
We'll get away. Just give me.
Laging makinig sa payo ni Mami at Daddy. Huwag mong kalimutan si Lord. Nandyan siya para sa guide mo.
We're soaring high. We're stepping out.
Ang pinaka-wish ko lang is you'll be able to enjoy today to the fullest. Yun lang. Love you.
Let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go.
Sana yung pangarap mo matupad mo. Lahat naman binibigay naman namin. Kaya happy ako at I am so proud of you, anak.
Let's go. We'll get away. Just get me out of my house into the sky. We'll take a little trip to paradise. Let's fly.
Happy birthday. Stay strong, stay guided, seek for guidance, more guidance if needed. I'm always at your back with your mom. Happy birthday.